Good afternoon, guys. Chris Wheeler here at Cloud9 Farms. It's been a little while since I've done a garden walkthrough. This is the little garden up closer to the house. But this row right here, that's carrots. They're coming in very well. I'm happy with that. Some of them could even be harvested right now for baby root carrots. These radishes here, they've been coming in real pretty. I was hoping I'd pick out a Yeah, these guys are ready to harvest right now. So if you like radishes. This row right here, now we haven't had any good rain in quite some time. But the spinach is probably going to start taking off now. I could take cuts off of it. Actually, I've taken several cuts off of it right now, or already. This salad row right here didn't do very well. There's maybe a dozen heads in there. I'll reclaim that row soon. This salad, well, you see I've been taking cuts off of it. Man, that's a beautiful salad mix. There. It's ready to cut. I've cut it a few times in different sections. These two rows right here, I'm playing around with mostly because I needed a walkway through here, and also I wanted something to show people for people that want me to build gardens in their backyard. This is full of tomatoes and peppers, and well, there's a lot of marigolds in there to help with insects. But there's herbs, basil, rosemary, and I'm not done building them out yet, but something I'm playing around with. Look at these collards here. All the way down the row. These rows aren't done yet, but those are eggshells left from my incubation, or all the chicks that I hatch out, and they'll go in there, and that'll be part of that mound when I build it up. These are all barren right here. So right here, and these two right here are planted with a salad mix. In about 3 weeks. That'll be ready for its first cut if we wanted a baby leaf cuts. And this row right here we have watermelon radishes. And inside the watermelon radishes there's also squash, yellowneck squash, and I will do that. I'll seed radishes and put all my squash in there. That's what these rows are going to be for, are for my squashes. All of my okras and watermelon and everything that go out there. See my potatoes back there, and those bags are doing really, really good. I'll do a video on those sometime soon. And there are those turkeys. That's what they've done to that ground in front of them. And I just keep moving them down. Pretty cool stuff. Thanks for watching.